Welcome back to this series about my journey to becoming a LinkedIn certified marketing expert. So in my previous video, I discussed how you can complete 3 different certifications to become a LinkedIn certified marketing insider, and as well as how you can keep an eye out for the certified marketing experts program. I also share some tips and tricks to help you along the way, so if you have not seen the video, feel free to go back and check them out. In this video, I wanted to dive deeper with you into 90 Days Certified Marketing Experts program and to explain to you what each step entails. And also, by the end of this video, I will be unboxing a welcome gift from LinkedIn, which I received on the night that I bought it for my flight to London. So let's open this gift together by the end of this video. So before I begin, I wanted to have a quick disclaimer. I'm not a LinkedIn staff, and all of this is based on my personal experience in the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts program. Now, if you follow all of the steps I list out in my previous video, and if you're accepted into the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts program, a huge congratulations to you indeed. Once you're accepted into the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts program, you will gain access to a website that provides you all of the information that you need to complete to become a certified marketing expert. I kind of briefly mentioned this in the previous video, but I would like to elaborate more on here. Under the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts program, there are 3 mandatory components that you have to complete. First, you have to attend a kickoff call, which is essentially a 1-hour session where the LinkedIn team shares about the program with you and what you need to fulfill, what to expect. And you also have the opportunity to introduce yourself. And one shout out to the LinkedIn team, which I really appreciate, is that all of these different sessions and these calls are actually held in different time zones. So you'll be given multiple choices to choose specific for your time zone. So for me, in my first session, I joined the time zone that is in North America because I was in Canada at that time, and I joined my second session in Hong Kong, which is an Asia time zone, and it was pretty good because I was able to meet different type of experts within the cohort from different regions before I even get to meet them in person. Now next, after completing the kickoff call, you will participate in a workshop called Amplifying Your B2B for Leadership Voice. This is a 2-hour workshop where you will learn how to host a successful LinkedIn Marketing Labs workshop. Without giving too much information away, what I've learned in the workshop is how you can build trust through authenticity, logic, and empathy, and also different type of engagement techniques that you can use to host a successful workshop. Before the workshop, you will receive some presentation material on LinkedIn advertising from the LinkedIn team. This is some material that you need to familiarize yourself with because you will learn new techniques in the workshop, and by the end of the workshop, you will be put into pairs to present the materials that you are being given with. I think this is a great opportunity for you to, reflect on what you have learned and also to apply what you have learned in the workshop by the end of the workshop to give that presentation. Now, I believe that these workshops are a fantastic opportunity for you to connect with your fellow cohort members on LinkedIn. You can all start by creating a LinkedIn group and start planning your trip to London together. Trust me, it is always better to collaborate as a group, and there's so much information that you can get just by creating this group before even going to London. So after joining these 2 different online workshops, this leads us to the final step, which is attending the Global Expert Summit, which I will discuss in more details in my next video. As you can see, I'm now hard at work editing the videos. So remember to follow, subscribe, and like this video if you enjoy the content that I'm putting out. So now, without further ado, let us go to the unboxing segment and let's open this together. Alright? So before going to London, I received this box, and this box actually has, hello certified marketing experts from LinkedIn. Okay? So I will unbox this in front of all of you. So before unboxing, I kind of know what this is because I saw people carrying it to the LinkedIn office. So without further ado, let me open this box. So you have a note from LinkedIn, and then let me show you. Hopefully this is not reversed, okay? So this is a note that says, hello certified marketing experts. Congratulations on your incredible work and investing in your professional development. We are proud of you. Becoming a LinkedIn certified marketing expert is the next step on your LinkedIn advertising learning journey, and we wanted to welcome you with this little gift. We look forward to seeing you in the workshop and become a LinkedIn certified marketing expert. LinkedIn Marketing Labs. So thank you so much LinkedIn and also LinkedIn Marketing Labs. And then in the box, you can actually see a bag from LinkedIn. It is a really nice bag. So there's a zip at the top where you can open, and then you can put things inside in this compartment. And then there's also a place where you can put your water bottle, and another place here as well to put your water bottle. And then there's actually a hook over here so that you can open this And then once you open it, it is a bag. And then this is a bag where you can put different things. So this is pretty much it. It is a Top O Designs bag, which is branded with the Certified Marketing Experts LinkedIn Marketing Labs. So thank you so much, LinkedIn and LinkedIn Marketing Labs. So that's it. This wraps up the whole video. I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll love to assist you on your journey to becoming a LinkedIn Certified Insider or Expert. So until the next video, stay tuned and get ready for the next big video, which is about the Global Experts Summit. See you.